How to fix Xbox error 0x8007042b when launching games. 1. Restart your Xbox device. 2. PC users, repair or reset the game. 3. PC, run the game with administrative rights. 4. Delete Microsoft Store local cache at %user profile %\appdata /local /packages /microsoft.windows store _8 week 3d 8 bb /local cache. Restart the computer, later. 5. Log into Xbox and Microsoft Store with the same account. 6. PC, start or restart the Xbox service. 7. Run the Windows Store apps troubleshooter. 8. Reinstall the game.